Well, to me, future of HR post-COVID is the same as the past of HR pre-COVID. There is no real difference. The small difference would be in the tactics that we're going to use. As long as we are thinking about the business, as long as we are thinking about the performance, as long as we're thinking about the culture of our company and the empowerment that we need to give to the employees and to the managers in the company, it's somehow the same. The tactics will change, yes. Before COVID, we were all in the same office, or we were traveling like hell, like 2-3 times a week just to meet people and talk to them. Post-COVID, we will not do that. We have more people who will work from home. But it's the same, because the HR function, like finance, like legal, any support function in any company is not a function on its own. It's not a silo on its own. So the future of HR is defined by the direction of your company, where it's going. Let me take it to a more practical example. If your company is going into a transformation mode, then the future of HR would be to help and empower this transformation. If the future of some companies, if you're in hospitality or travel industry, or the ones that were hit really badly by COVID, if the future of the company is to downsize, post-cut, then the future of HR within this company, or the tactics that the HR has to do within this company, is to cost cut. The future of HR is 100% aligned with the future of the business. For any more details about your exact company, what are the things that you want to do, we'll be happy to take it. You can message us and we can take it further.